I am Charlotte Rutgerson, Marketing Manager. We are at the test facilities in our factory in Marstrand, Sweden, and today we will show you why the RC120X has an unequaled performance using this demonstration test bench. This rope clutch has three core advantages. Firstly, a firm grip on the line. Also a wide range of rope diameters from 10 mm to 16 mm, and with very little wear on the rope. You can use the rope clutch in two ways. Either you winch the line with the handle in the closed position, or if you don't want any give on the line, you winch the line while the handle is in the open position and then close it. This is a demonstration test bench with a winch on one end and a pneumatic cylinder as a load generator in the other. In the middle we have our rope clutch, and now we put some load on this Viking. Now we have 500 kilos on the rope clutch, which is a high load for this boat segment. We're using a 14 mm Dyneema line, and now we'll take the line from the winch. As you just saw, the rope clutch is holding the line without any give. To hold this load, we had 4 laps of the line around the winch, which is 1.5 meters. Now the rope clutch is holding the same load, but with this much of the rope. The rope clutch has been equipped with a new needle-bearing handle, which makes it easy to release the load smoothly, even during very high loads. The RC120X has been developed especially for modern lines, such as Dyneema and Spectra. The combination of the innovative handle and the designed cam holds the load without slipping and with very little wear on the rope. Now we will release the load. The noise came from the cylinder and it makes quite the bang. As you saw, it was easy to release the load smoothly, and there is no damage on the line. For maximum flexibility, there are 2 hole spacings for this rope clutch, 70 and 85 mm. Just choose where to place the bolts depending on where the pre-drilled holes are on the deck. Now we have shown you what this Viking can do and why its performance surpasses any other alternative with equivalent maximum load available on the market.